Hey people, this is the Shadow Mask, and here today I'm going to show you a bonus level of speedrun. Is the Parish Bridge. So why did I have to choose this campaign? So I just choose this campaign because last time I just survived by my and not a bad run. So yeah, I still have speedrun with the bots, but they all die, so that's why I can't survive by my own. I just have an adrenaline because I want to be like the real speedrunners. Of course, yeah, the advanced speedrunners. So this is a bonus level and 2 videos. I hope you like it, folks. Enjoy. Goodbye. And enjoy this level.
Let's go!
Also AK-47. There's no shotgun in the safe house. I'm really trying to make my life ruin. Sorry. So I need to get a job, so I need to go to the top for a while.
Reloading!
Ambulance that I can get to. Alice! Well, you. Oh, there's a pipe bomb over there. That's fine. I'm gonna shoot my pipe bomb. And here we go. Alice pick a scat man. And don't forget to pick a That's okay. At least I have positive health. Ooh. Oh. So what I did is to went to the other side. There's a drill and I tried to grab some. What? Oh my gosh, be careful. Oh my gosh.
Grabbing a shot.
Get out of my way. No! Is there a second tank? Oh no, there's a second tank. Oh no! No, I didn't get quite lucky. Oh no! No second tank, please. Hurry up! Hurry up, Rochelle! Yeah, so just survive it by my own. So there's a tank right there. And the tank is not going to be. I won't get receive achievement across the bridge for under 3 minutes. Oh my gosh, several infected. Excuse me. My guards are still more. Oh. I didn't survive the bridge by my own because I just survived the bridge by my own because I made it by my own and there are no bots following me because they are injured by a tank. That's what I mean, but the other one is I totally did it by my own. So, yeah, thanks for watching people. Goodbye.